Good morning, y'all. It is about 5:30 in the morning. We are loading up the truck, about to head back to Fayetteville. We got a podcast to record. We got two podcasts to record today. I've got Zach Bitter coming on the show, so I'm going to record with him. And yeah, lots of fun stuff planned right now. We're loading up the bricks. Alright, y'all, on the road, headed back to Fayetteville. Little pit stop. You already know where it started. I'm basically gonna have to show y'all. But yeah, we're getting some coffees, getting some wake up juice. Here we go. Alright, y'all, we are back in Fayetteville. We got unloaded. We're at the post office right now picking up all of our packages and postage that we've missed while we were on the cruise. Then we're headed to the gym to train arms. Today's arm workout's gonna be like meditative, I think. I'm just gonna like zone out and just relax and train hard and just get in the zone. I want to talk about improving our day-to-day. Both Crystal and I, there's a look of stress right there. You know, I'm stressed. Like, we smile on camera, like we maintain a positive attitude, and we are positive, but like we're both stressed right now. And that's just part of life, and we're cool with that. We accept it, we understand it, but we're going to try and be more active about proactively preventing stress as opposed to just like reactively, you know, taking it as it comes. So what are we going to do? We'll talk about that. That's what today's video is going to be about. What we're going to actively do to kind of like hack our day-to-day, so to speak, to limit stress. Yeah, it's a good one. We just got a ton of mail in the mailbox. We figured we'd do a little mail time clip real quick and open up all these boxes and see what we got. So let's open them up. What you got there?
Robert's cousin's graduation invitation.
That we're late to?
Well, she knew we weren't going to be able to make it because we were on the cruise, but...
Congratulations, Leah. Happy graduation. Alright, y'all. I had two different tea companies send me some tea. So one of these is Pique, or P-I-Q-U-E. I guess it's pronouncing it right. But I've got some tea samples in here. Nice little note. And then I got Tenzo tea as well. So I'm going to try both of these, Pique and Tenzo, and see what I think. I've been trying to get into more tea drinking, so I'm excited about these samples. What you got there, Crystal?
This is a gift from one of my old clients who has now moved on to doing a prep with Robert.
So one of my new clients.
So one of Robert's new clients, but she sent me a gift and I haven't opened it yet fully.
Ooh, it's so sweet. Alright, what you got there?
Alright, I just said like the biggest ooh about this. It's coffee. This is just little like New Mexico keto treats.
What is that one?
Oh, pistachio coffee.
I didn't even know that was a thing.
What?
What else you got?
That's awesome. Oh, pistachio.
I do like pistachios.
Yeah, it's a good thing that they're not yours.
What is that?
This is, oh my gosh, so sweet. Oh, that is so sweet.
Oh, that is pretty cool.
Oh my gosh, I love it. Thank you, Mary, if you're watching. Thank you so much. That was like seriously so thoughtful of you.
Alright, so the other week I alluded to a client that I'm super proud of, and I told you I was going to tell you his story. He just sent me a package, so I'm just going to take this opportunity to tell you a story. His name's Frank. He's super nice, super awesome guy. Basically, he wanted to lose enough weight to be able to fit into his Coast Guard uniform to present his son his graduation certificate when his son graduated for the Coast Guard. So he sent me and Crystal this United States Coast Guard hat and a shirt, and I'm just incredibly proud of him because he couldn't fit into his uniform, and every generation in his family, they'd all presented the son the award, so he wasn't able to wear his uniform to present his son the award, and he came to me to ask, you know, for help with the dieting and coaching. So we got him down. His uniform is loose on him now, and he was able to present his son the award that was this past week. Super proud of you, Frank. Thank you for this. I'll rep it proudly. Congratulations, man. You deserve every good thing you get coming to you. One more package, y'all.
Okay, first of all, Mary, the pistachios, these are garlic and green chili. I've never had these in my life, and they're freaking amazing. We haven't even left the post office, and they're open and been eaten. Okay, now this box was sent to us, and she said it was she said it was from all nurses for, it was like Nurses Week / day. Sent us a really sweet little card. She said that the shirts are from Z-Dog MD. He's really funny. She said you also mentioned you were really low on creatine, so I hope this helps. So we got a huge thing from Bulk Supplements. It's awesome.
Now I can steal your creatine and I don't have to worry.
No. Well, it's for us to share. Okay, here is some Being Great chapstick, which is good because I need that. Ooh, gum. Not all superheroes wear capes. Happy Nurses Week. That's awesome. Okay, and then there's 2 shirts, one for each of us. Oh, and a little pin. Incredible.
Okay.
But did you die?
Doc Vader.
That is so awesome. I love it.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you so much. We really, really appreciate that.
Huge shout out to everybody that sends us stuff. Like, obviously, Crystal and I don't expect or need or ask for anything to be sent to us, but the fact that you all take the time to send us stuff, I mean, it's just very, very sweet, and we really, really appreciate it. Like, honest to goodness, y'all, we were both like stressed and kind of like in a down funk before we came to the post office, and then like reading these notes, reading these positive letters, just thinking about y'all. I mean, you can't be negative, you can't be sad. Like, we're both smiling ear to ear right now, so thank you, we appreciate you, and we love y'all. Now, let's go train some arms. Oh yeah, one more thing. Now let's go train some arms. Alright, y'all, one of the big de-stressors in our life is to be able to work out consistently. Have we been able to do that?
No.
No. So even if we can't work out consistently with the gym, we're gonna do some kind of consistent physical activity. Even if it's like a run, or have a jump rope on us and do jump rope, we're gonna do something physical every single day. Bicep and tricep workout in the books. We didn't really film much of the workout. We didn't film any of the workout. It was like super crowded in there. A bunch of ants running around looking like. But there's a little posing footage for you to kind of give you an update. We're headed to Home Depot or Lowe's right now.
We are.
Yeah. By the way, I've only been back from the cruise for 1 day. It hadn't even been 1 day, but I already tell that my body's lost and flushed out a bunch of water weight. So traveling makes me hold water, makes most people hold water like crazy. All right, y'all, just leaving Home Depot. Just bought 6 more of those big black totes because we're gonna be making more bricks. Get ready. All right, y'all, the living room is utter chaos. I just spent the last couple hours counting keto bricks to see how many we have in inventory. This next batch is gonna be around 1,200 bricks that are gonna drop. So a pretty good bit more than last time. Then, like I said in that last video, July's launch is gonna be much, much bigger. This is the last small batch that's gonna go down in June next week. Boom, look at all those bricks, y'all. Look at all those bricks. Bricks on bricks on bricks. We got bricks, we got bricks. I wanted to finish off this vlog with a little bit of insight, kind of what we plan on doing going forward. I alluded to us trying to be more proactive about focusing on total health as opposed to just one aspect of it. And I can't stress how important that is. Like, it's all obviously known. Like, you need to sleep more, you need to relax, stress, yada, yada, yada. I was listening to the obesity code on Audible today, and he was really diving into the hormonal aspect of things. And I agree with a lot of what he says. I disagree with some of the things, but he really iterated kind of how hormones affect things in a very clear, easy to understand fashion. And I don't know, it just really resonated with me. But one of the main points being was, you have insulin resistance, causes fat gain, insulin causes fat gain. And then if you allow your cortisol hormones to get elevated unnecessarily, everything just kind of has a compounding negative effect on overall, unhealthy fat gain. And I don't want that, obviously, as a bodybuilder. I would like to minimize those stressors by, getting at least 6 hours of sleep, ideally 7, but as long as I'm getting 6 hours, I'll be happy. And then just kind of working on stress management. As far as ways that we can do that, Crystal's going to speak.
I think, like, for myself, I decided that I wanted to wake up every day and do some sort of cardio. I think that it's a really good way to wake up, start your day with something active, something healthy, get your mind in the right spot, get those, like, good endorphins running through your system. And I think it's just a really good way to, like, start your day and make it positive.
Yes. So we do have a lot of traveling coming up still. Like, there's not going to be like any routine per se for a while. But I do want to start the day with waking up early, going to bed earlier, waking up earlier, and then doing something physically fit and active first thing in the morning. Then jumping on my clients first thing, as I want to take care of my clients first and foremost. There's been a couple of days with traveling where, I won't get to them until later. And I try to answer all my clients every day. And with traveling, it's been like the super late at night or early first thing in the morning the next day. It's just not been ideal. I want to get kind of a consistent pattern there. Get them all taken care of, but it's just like not consistent. And I just want to do everything I can to be right by them. And then, wake up early, do some cardio, work on clients, work on emails, work on the vlog, do the Instagram live, then train, and just kind of have somewhat more of a normalcy to our day-to-day routine.
We don't have a normal routine. Probably won't for a little while as we're, like, traveling and stuff, but we're going to try and make it as normal as possible because it really is important that we take care of ourselves, and we haven't really been lately, and it's been definitely taking a toll on our bodies. And I think definitely getting some good sleep, a more laid out food schedule.
I noticed I needed to change something when I realized how much less of a temper management I have. I have a temper right now. Like, I'll just blow up on the littlest things. Like today, the podcast, my Skype account wasn't working for a podcast I was about to record. I was literally about to punch a hole in my desktop. So that's not good.
Yeah, it's not good.
So yeah,
I don't like it.
We are just kind of rambling right now, but that's kind of where we want to focus a little bit more. Overall health, still gonna grind like you ain't never seen, but I think I'm at the tipping point now where, like, my ability to grind is suffering because I'm not managing everything properly. So I'm gonna work on doing that better.
We're gonna be able to do better in the things that we do have going on because we're taking care of ourselves. Yeah.
So that said, we're gonna go to sleep right now so that I can wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning and work on clients, run, and train. Tomorrow's leg day. Y'all take care.